So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up the Cleo Money app. You can see here in real time, we're going to be going step by step. I already have the app downloaded, but I'll have a link in the show notes down below for you so you can go ahead and jump right to this page. Sometimes that link actually does give you a nice sign up bonus and help support out the channel for more free content just like this. Now we're going to go ahead and already have the app downloaded, so go ahead and follow along here with us. So we're going to go ahead and start with signing up. You can see the button right over here towards the bottom. Here's going to be the information you're going to need to have in first, your first and last name, email address, your date of birth, and how you heard about Cleo. And then we're going to go ahead and click on next. So from right over here, it's going to go ahead and have you check your inbox for whichever email you put in. So that way you can confirm everything. We're going to go ahead and jump into our email and click on the confirm, and it'll jump us right back to the app. So we just went ahead and verified our email. So we're going to click on the bottom button right over here, and it's going to ask us for notifications. If you don't want one, it says not now. And then from here, it's going to go ahead and hook up your account. So what we're going to be using is Plaid to go ahead and connect instantly. If you needed to go ahead and do it a different route, you can see on the very bottom to do it manually. But we're going to go ahead and click with Plaid here. So go ahead and use the account you want that money potentially deposited directly into, and go ahead and utilize that bank. So we're going to go ahead and plug in our information for Capital One and move on to the next screen after we connect our account. All right, so from right over here, you're going to see that we've successfully connected our account to Cleo. So we're going to click on continue, and it says that was totally worth it. Things just kind of went by quickly. So at the very bottom with that blue button, we're going to go ahead and unleash. And from right over here, it's going to take us to what looks like a complete chat that is just going very quickly. So from here, it's going to ask us how we want to get started. And you can see here, get a salary advance, improve your credit score, or even I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and click on there, and it's going to continue to go from here. We're going to click on let's go, and it's going to keep going through this chat. So let's go ahead and keep seeing what this is going to ask us. I'm going to go ahead and click on not much, and then go ahead and say I'm on top of them. Every last one of them. This is a very interesting way to kind of create your account. I've actually never experienced this before. So we're going to be continuing to go through. I'm assuming this is going to kind of just help our setup here to make sure that we have everything we need for our account, which I think is actually kind of interesting. Kind of gives us a little bit of a different dynamic on here. So as we go through this, it's just asking us all these different questions. Honestly, kind of similar to a regular setup for most accounts, but in a very, very unique way. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on here. Oh, this is really interesting. I love that meme. Or GIF, I should say. Damn. So this is very interesting. So it's gone through and noticed a lot of different changes in my account, whether it's money going to different brokerages or different services. And so that way we can kind of understand how our account is being utilized and kind of go from there. So this is kind of cool. Very different for sure. So I'm kind of going through and reading this as we were actually recording this, so you can see all these different things happening in real time. Cool. And just like that, it looks like we are done with our chat. So we went through and kind of cleaned that all up here for us, which now then takes us into the opportunity to click on the spend, the budget, which is kind of interesting. Set that up later. And we can click on the save app and then the borrow feature as well, which of course is what a lot of people kind of come here for when it comes to using Cleo. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to set up your account, you're going to go ahead and click on the link in the show notes down below. It'll take you to be able to go ahead and start your account. If they have any sign up bonuses, that link should give you those opportunities. Just make sure you follow along to get any bonuses if there are any. And that does help support out the channel, so you get more free content just like this. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing with utilizing your money. So I want you to click on this next video here on screen. My name is Dennis, and I will help you in that next video.